All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the premium package or premier package with 18,000 miles on this vehicle. So leather interior, heated, cooling seats, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls. It's got fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice NLC curbing. Your tire thread here is... That is 6/32. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing here. And your tire thread is 6/32 as well. Here's a nice shot of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. We jump into this vehicle. It is a push start system. Does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Alright, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right there. Got your backup camera, boom. AC controls right down below. Heated and cooling seats right there. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 18,828. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. On the lights, my fog lights on. Make sure they're on. Keep it around. Your rear bumper looks okay. Rear trunk space looks good. Rear trunk space looks good. Pretty nice for a two-door. It does have a spare tire with some tools. I tucked away your owner's manual right there. Lift gate looks good. Got a nice rear spoiler. This quarter here looks pretty decent. This rear passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. The tire thread here is 430 to 5/32. Double check. It is just a hairline over 7/32. Rim looks good. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see any problems. 6/32 there. Does it have some curbing? Yeah, it's got some curb, about 2 inches right there. All right, that pretty much is it. That's it, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Ford Mustang, the premium convertible package with 18,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.